Nutanix offers many services to help you establish a cloud operating model in your own data center. With the release of Prism Central 2023.1, we've made it easier than ever to install, manage, and access these applications and services from a single unified experience. Let's take a look. When we log into Prism Central, we're going to see that it looks pretty much what we're used to in terms of the dashboard and the widgets that are shown. But what we'll see different is that we have this new app switcher menu here, and this is what allows us to seamlessly navigate between Nutanix applications. So the infrastructure app contains all the core Nutanix functionality and is enabled by default. If I select the Hamburger Menu, it's going to change based on the selected application that's shown. So with the infrastructure app shown, we're going to see everything that we're used to with compute and storage, network and security, data protection, hardware, etc. If you're familiar with Prism Central, you may notice that there is no longer a services menu, as any enabled Nutanix services or applications will be present in that top drop-down menu. So now how do we enable these services? One of the key features of the new Prism Central is the Apps and Marketplace. This shortcut takes you to the My Apps page within the Admin Center. The Admin Center also contains global settings such as user management, LCM, and licensing, and is also where we can view and enable our Nutanix applications. If you've used NCM Self-Service or COM before, you may be familiar with the Self-Service Marketplace. This marketplace has been moved into the Admin Center and out of the box enables you to deploy Nutanix applications such as Nutanix Kubernetes Management or Nutanix Database Service. With an NCM Self-Service license, you can also use this marketplace to deploy third-party or custom applications. If you're already using NCM Self-Service, when upgrading Prism Central, the marketplace will already be enabled. For new deployments or for environments where NCM Self-Service isn't used, you'll need to first enable the marketplace, which we'll do now. This will take a couple of minutes, and once it's done, we can now enable our Nutanix applications. We can enable any of our applications by clicking Get and then clicking on Deploy. In this case, we'll deploy Nutanix Kubernetes Management, which enables us to deliver production-ready Kubernetes environments using our own Nutanix Kubernetes engine or a third-party Kubernetes cluster of your choice. Once the app is up and running, we can then navigate to it from the App Switcher menu. And in this case, we can start deploying our Kubernetes clusters. So we've enabled some more apps here, and we can see them all from the My Apps page. If you have existing instances of NDB and Move, you can register and manage them from this page as well. So now we can see that our App Switcher menu is fully populated with all of our Nutanix services and applications, and we can easily navigate to any of those applications. For example, I can jump into Nutanix Database Service here. I can jump into COM or NCM Self-Service, and we can see how the menu changes based on which application I'm using. So with features such as the App Switcher and the new Marketplace, we've made it easier than ever to install, manage, and access all of the Nutanix applications and services in your environment. To get hands-on with Nutanix and take a test drive, head on over to nutanix.com/test drive to sign up for free. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and check out our other videos to learn more about how Nutanix can help you establish a cloud operating model in your data center. See you in the next video.